In primetime news this evening, new rules. Ministry of Education announces limited face-to-face classes. Disappointed. JTA reacts to new face-to-face teaching arrangements. And Cornwall Regional Hospital rejects claims of oxygen shortage. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online on our One Spot media platform. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. If you had reservations about taking the COVID vaccine, have your views changed? Why or why not? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or you can tweet at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.